Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social Science. Before class, we have seen the introduction part, which has been covered in the Earth in the solar system. Is we can recall the headings. Okay, the first we have seen the full moons, celestial bodies. Next we have seen the stars and constellations. We have seen till this we have been covered. The remaining two heading is there, we will see on today. I think so I have given the assignment part for you. You have been drawn the solar system and you have been colored it. Okay, let me move to the day 2. The first topic we are going to see is the pole star. The fifth topic of continuation here is the pole star. Here they are telling about the pole star is always remain the same position every night in the sky. Okay, they only always known, they will helps in knowing only the north direction. Okay, this is known about the pole star. Okay, the north star or pole star will stay in the same direction or same place in the sky. This is known about the pole star. Okay, next we are going to see the next heading is the planets. Here the planets is telling about the some celestial bodies like the stars and the suns which has the light on their own. Where they will get the light on their own means they reflect the light only by nearby the stars. This is known about the planet. Okay, the some celestial bodies which have light of their own, they can see. The next point is I have told they can only see if the star is near, then only they can reflect the light. If they can reflect the light only near by the stars. Okay, today there are some topics which we are going to see to cover these topics under this solar earth in the solar system. The topics are, the first topic is the solar system. Second is the sun. Third is the planets. Fourth is the earth. The fifth is the moon. Sixth is asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids and the meteoroids. Children, we are going to see the first topic. The first topic is what? The solar system. Under the solar system, what and all is there? We are going to see the sun, the 8 planet is there, the stars is there, satellite is there, asteroids and meteoroids. These are being included in the solar system. Okay, the sun, 8 planets, satellite and celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids. The next thing we are going to see is the sun. The sun is the head of the family in the solar system. The sun is the largest members in the solar system also, they are telling. It has a own heat and light. Those days and all, nowadays, those days and all, what they will do, the grandma and grandpa, after waking up, they will worship as their god, as a sun. You ask your fathers and mothers whether your grandpa, grandma, after waking up, they are praying to the sun or not. You ask children. Okay, the sun is the largest member in the solar system. It has a own light and heat. They worship the Asian people. What they will do? They will worship the Asian people always worship the sun as a god. They are telling about the sun is about 150 million kilometers, that is away from the earth. The sun is about 150 million kilometer away from the earth. The assignment is what is the pole star and what is, second question is, what is the celestial bodies. Thank you, children.